Hi guys, so I'm continuing this video here with this card because it's not possible for me to make big videos now itself because it won't reach up to people who really need it. So this is a card of new beginnings, manifestations, and also divine intervention. So claim the card, I would say, with it, with this image. Very beautiful card. Okay, so what I see over here is the fool who is about to go on a new journey, who is about to, you know, uh, this person over here is starting something new in their life. This is what I'm clearly seeing, but with the presence of Six of Swords also over here, I would like to say that there is some baggage maybe that you haven't clear or you need to clear something. A lot is there in your mind and you are still moving forward. You need to work on it, or else it will, it will affect you even if you are moving ahead in your life. Some or the other way, it will trigger you. This is what I feel with the presence of this Six of Swords over here. But yes, you can make a new start in your life, but for that, before that, please learn something from whatever has happened. Please let go of those old baggages and make a new start. This is what I would say. And yes, the water is, I mean, your ship, your boat is moving towards the calmer side in your life now. Okay, so Two of Wands, if you remember the previous card, from the old deck, it clearly shows a person who is looking at the globe and wondering what to do, what not to do. And there are two options, but with this card, I clearly see this person has decided what to do, and this person is too much focused on that option, and hence see the globe, the size of the globe, and also just he's holding this one wand. So this person is very much sure what he needs to do, what he wants to do. So I feel you are also with some of them. You need to come up to a decision, up to a conclusion, or some of you will be coming up to that, or some of you already you have made a decision, you have came up to a conclusion, and hence this card has appeared. Okay, Page of Cups and beautiful card. So some emotional message or some emotional offer may come towards you, but this is just a start. This is what I see. It will just give you an initial, emotional satisfaction or emotional happiness. This is what I see with this card. But if you can see the change over here and darkness over here, so this can also be the thing